Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on a beautiful crochet pattern. What I just used two different kind of yarn. This is that one and this one, and also I used crochet hook number 3. And let's get started. For the first row we are going to start by making a slip knot and then 8 chain, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We make a loop and join together. Now it's time to make 1, 2, 3, 4 as the first one. For separation I need 4 more chain. Then we are going to do the triple crochet here in the loop. Chain 4 and another triple crochet. Again chain 4 and triple crochet. We keep continue until we have 8 of this one in the loop. Now I have 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, and I'm going to join the job here together. And now times to start to make 5 triple crochet in this here. Start by chain 5, 4, and then make another 4 triple crochet in this loop. Like that. Then chain 4, and then we make another 5 here. We keep continue until the end of row by make 5 triple crochet in each space, and then between you have to have 4 chain. We are going to do it and unloop. This is the end of row 2. Just join the job here for row 3. Now we are going to start by chain 4, triple crochet on the top of each triple crochet, but we are not going to finish it. We make it like a cluster. 3, 4, and total I have 5. I'm going to make it in 1, and then now we are going to make extra 5 chain here. When it comes in that part, we are going to make 1 triple crochet, then chain 6, and we repeat the pattern here by making a cluster. I'm going to make one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just we're going to make them one and make 6 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then when it comes in this part here, we should make 1 triple crochet and then 6 chain. The pattern should look like that. We are going to keep continue until the end of the row. Now this is the end of row 3. The pattern looks like that. We are going to join job here, then times 2 start to row 4 by just make one slip stitch here and then start to chain 4. We are going to make 10 more triple crochet here. What we have to do, we make 4 in this loop here, when it comes, as you can see I have 5 here. When it comes to that part, I'm going to make 1 triple crochet on the top of this one, and then here again 5 more triple crochet. In total we have to have 11. One more. As you can see here, I have 5, 1 here, 5 here, in total 11. Then we are going to chain 5, and when it comes in that part, we have to make 11 again in each of these space until the end of the row. This is the end of row 4. As you can see, I finished that one. For row 5, we are going to start by, just let me join the job together. Top of this one. As I told you, we have 11 triple crochet from this row until the end of the work. We are going to decrease each row by decrease 2, so it means I'm not going to make triple crochet on the top of the first one and last one. I'm going to do the slip stitch, come to the second one and start by chain 4, then triple crochet on the top of each triple crochet to have 9 in total. As you can see now, I have 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we are going to chain 5. When it comes in this chain, we are going to make 1 single crochet, again chain 5, and start to make triple crochet in this part for 9, and we keep continue the pattern until the end of the row. Let me just finish that one, and then we keep continue for the next row. As you can see, I have 9 here. Keep continue by chain 5, 1 single crochet, chain 5, and we keep continue until the end of the row, like that. You already finished row 5. For row 6, as I told you, we are going to decrease by 11, 9. This row it has to be 7. I'm going to start by chain 4 and then make 6 triple crochet. In total we are going to have 7. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What we have to do, we make 5 chain. When it comes with that part, I make a single crochet here, chain 5 again. In that part I make another single crochet like this, chain 5, and then when it comes in this pattern we are going to make 7 triple crochet. We keep continue this one. Let me show you. It means that we are going to decrease that pattern and increase between here by make a chain. Let me show you in the bigger size. As you can see here, I already finished 1. We start 11. The second row is 9. The next one is 7. Next one is 5, 3, and the last one is 1. Here also, when it comes in the middle, anytime you have to increase by 5 chain single crochet, 5 chain single crochet. You have to keep continue until you have only 1 left, and then the job is going to be finished. This is the total of the job. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you like it, please share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and have a good day.